Sibuosu Fiifi Kwettey akoma speech NDC 34 years anniversary man for say hey
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe we be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be we be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Sibuosu Fiifi Kwettey akoma speech NDC 34 years anniversary man for say hey na Fiifi Kwettey ne refi no say odi NDC general secretary ana because Akutia bon doson o say NDC party na mediocre o say mediocrity ne doson NPP say NPP anya NPP away NDC so say then mediocrity no Rollins no take party no the ethos for the take part anya no na mudi su no obi no tisi MPP ne flooding issue na one for say NDC sem na so r3s Akutia because of say aden na leader bi tena ho na flooding sem hu na ekoso Milsa Rollins a won hwe men si da Akutia the penance ba something Janet for na so na hu hey asem mabo speech no mo TV courtesy r3s it's much also best subscribe and must subscribe and click the notification the video be to my you have a comment feel free leave that comment in the comment section make sure so because Goldberry construction method and episodes in wasas and kratas all the documentations related to your house and Goldberry any BDC you manage na the amount
you know what they at so at the man no kwadu ankasa kwatu gina so de saa so twe nyina man no na ebi ene say wa fa dwen wa boni ti mu pos wa bebo man kro no de di kan ne atosumi no wa seda bokro no ankasa ne atosumi say enam ne nsa so na dwuma yo so amoma na ahwiri sika ye o man de man se won hwe so antimi anhwe so ye money laundry ni nyina ka ho bi ni nyina ye kwadu a o man no e de jire no na enu ochi o mo sa kire mu say Maslock is kabina yesi de empim ahenum 500,000 Ghana cedis. Komo de kwa ye dwumadie bi na dwumadie na ntimi amaso ene esarete ani sika de sika ne ba ya sika na nkodi aban afutuo mu bio ekoto no mom ne baagi mu ena hwem sika no ame bio eno nti nkoda ebre bi Agyeta kantamanto amietwa sika bi se mfa mwa wonwa omo akwa ahoyehia mu no sika na nkodu om ho eno susu wo mu afa ne nsase wonu nyina yakwa adu a ode bo no anti Ogya so de ni kwagina court afi 2021 eno na court gina asam so saa de tudwa say wadi for enti mfie du onkotwa wafiase enam so akosa ne ho yare a wa mabie onti na so twenda ho twen no ena no no aba bedu ye nura chi ena obedu ye ewo eye nkranwemhye gina bia wodu ye no sabi ne ho mfa no enti wote wheelchair mu na daily guide sis wadi bo no so ho se mam ne sabi ne ho mfa no ampa e se na ne na se atata kakra enti no se ye ka se wa ye appeal Emma appeal na lawyer for nso so dia kwakodan court say high court no anka say odi asem no kwa wo ye mfomso kwa adu omu gina so di bo ma mi didi tu dwade ye oh eti niam bebre to sini wo mu nti no say so asan aye appeal den ya wo hwe say court nso di na no di sem ebeba betu
hanzu atumu achiresi golu achiresi checkpoint na
MPP for o kan se ma fi no mo hope o kan na nanka etiewa Jubilee system ni mu. O 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no. Unti. Dia no waka fa ho, efa flooding no. Dia no waka. Who minister for works and housing. What so tete ho. E dia be pa no aya wutua nika. But all these people are there. Onko anu akotwa ahumem. Me so ye president ye be duodium. Na strike na reality ni setina. Udi ya ni sana after 2026. President John Dramani ma papa. Udi ya ni say ya na after 2026. Ghana for nye wie pa. Ni 2027 na. Obeka senya Ghana for ne toma no. Udi ya market on the one me say. Udi ya ni say ya ni dada prez.Mahama is a hope. Mahama ye juma mafu soldiers ningusu ankamfu. Mankrofonya sa wu ye juma me say ma ye 2026. Na ye 2027 pa. Obeti because abre no na ye politics. Sa abre no obi power too. Sa abre na ase edu nketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabimu ni nabusiafo. O ma hye ase na no obonsa afei o tumi na ase e chekofom. Na chekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa ase adwuma na aka so de bema ye wehe enyoma na wo ka sa wo be ye no e wehe over 14.1 million people nkofo mabu na omunye adwuma nye no o ye den
ato force na ye ato force ye no a all ka so oni evidence o asem na kan oni evidence but na ni abere because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama ebia mu ato force that number 1 enti mame nka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hinti aye mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu wa ban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called r3s and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1% bi no de amamu. Someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama prez.Mahama na more respecting me can say the power of our thumb someone ni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ wa enye ye woni tumi bi ade kwa but today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called r3s, who is the president of the land. Ghana for the to me amano and wa panic akrebi. President in what ya konya so cry chatting or responding. I told our friend no crop fa and the minister see any appointees see o friend say tieni as a busy what we are singing na ya dia so awo and attention hunu kwa no mo kreti abu kwa mo refisa prez.Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no aniamo amu ye ni nyina eye total disrespect to the president. The president wo ho na wo interest bi kra nti wuntimi hide ne kakrampo supporters su kra ntimi hide ebi wa ha ka me wo ma adakru bi out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na wase ekoso no. And people have relaxed. And no money are brain or multi free no more do omope. Hey, massa.
Muzene da ono. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So can in fact on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party KBA can borrow modom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say hospitals and they go sana no me say It is a Kenyan you say na no man nyina be ya. Ese keska no kan de wasa botumi hu say o I mean say wo say people for akonfo. Na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for the nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians ni nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do then you know the way forward. Ah, yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open nkete. You see anyone? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire Agyeta Dramani ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agyeta Dramani ma ko gina fa say enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na and nam one. Yes. Na che say was in who kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka bro.
Say problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we ma supply gold no over 75%. Omo koso na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what Fiifi on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendiana afi the also by us say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we fugitive. Journey. Thank you. Personal attack as if say you office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP.
Agyeta.
And this state institutions are on sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi for ma Agyeta